Hi guys, welcome to tutorial race, and in this video I'm going to discuss about WordPress. So first of all, let's understand what WordPress is all about. WordPress is a CMS, that means content management system through which content can be managed easily without having the knowledge of programming languages like HTML, CSS or JavaScript. So let's understand a brief Let's see the brief history of WordPress. WordPress is the most popular CMS or content management system in the world. WordPress is open source software. That means you don't have to pay the license for it, which is built using PHP MySQL. As you know, PHP MySQL is one of the very popular programming language and database which are also open source software. As per Wikipedia.org survey, out of the top 10 million websites, WordPress accounts for 29.3%, which is really a big share. And around 15 lakh 8,086 websites on the entire web uses WordPress. And according to official WordPress website, as per January 2018, total downloads were 21 crore 56 thousand lakh 3,050, and every second a new download is increasing. The above statistics are just tips of the iceberg. There are many other amazing facts of WordPress. In 2001, B2, the version name was Catalog launched by Michael Waldreit. It was called B2 Catalog before. Later, it was renamed to WordPress. So initially, the name of WordPress was B2 Catalog in 2001, but later it was renamed to WordPress. Matt in 2003, Matt Mullenweg and Mike Little changed B2 and developed WordPress. In 2004, plugins were introduced with version 1.2. As you know, plugin is really very important part of WordPress, which has contributed to make the WordPress really very popular. In 2005, theme system and static pages were introduced. As you know, theming is one of the very essential part of WordPress, and because of this theme and plugins, WordPress has become so popular. So initially theme was not there, but later theme system and static pages were introduced with the version 1.5, followed by persistent caching, a new user role. As you know, WordPress have different user role like editor, contributor, and administrator. So these things were introduced in 2005. And a new backend UI in version 2.0, it was called Div. In 2007, a new UI, autosave, spell check, and other new features were introduced in version 2.1. It was called Ella. Widgets and speed optimizations came out in version 2.2. Widgets is also one of the very important part of WordPress. You will learn about widgets in later part of this video tutorial. And tagging, update notifications, pretty URLs, which is also called uh, permalink, was introduced. A new taxonomy system The taxonomy system is called category, actually, that is category, were also introduced in version 2.3 and it was called Dexter. In 2008, version 2.5 Tracker in this version this variant was introduced the dashboard widget system and the shortcode API. As you know, shortcode is used heavily in WordPress. So this shortcode API was introduced in 2002.5. Version 2.7 introduced automatic upgrading, built-in plugin installations, sticky post, comment threading, paging, replies, and new API, bulk management, and inline documentation. In 2009, version 2.8, which was called Backer, introduced a built-in theme installer and improved widget UI and API. Version 2.9, Cameron introduced image editing, a trace undo feature, bulk plugin updating, and embed support. In 2010, version 3.0, it was called Selenius, was a major release. It introduced custom post types, made custom taxonomy simpler, added custom menu management, added new APIs for custom headers and custom backgrounds, introduced a new default theme called 2010. 2010 was one of the important and popular theme, which was automatically installed when you install WordPress and allowed the management of multiple sites called multi-site. As you know, you will learn later, WordPress has feature of multi-site in which from a single admin you can manage more than one WordPress websites. In 2011, version 3.1 introduced post format and admin bar. In version 3.2 made WordPress faster and lighter. This version upgraded minimum requirements of PHP 5.2.4 and MySQL 5.xx and introduced a new default theme called 2011 in version 3.3. In 2012, version 3.4 was introduced. The theme optimizer and theme previewer. Version 3.5 introduced the new media manager and the new default theme called 2012. In 2013, version 3.6 introduced a new default theme called 2013, built-in audio and video support, improved autosave version, introduced automatic upgrades and for maintenance and security updates, stronger password meter, improved search results. Version 3.8 introduced new admin design and new default theme called 2014. In 2015, version 4.2 added emoji support and extended character support and switched database encoding from UTF-8 to UTF-MB4. Version 4.3 added built-in site icon support and introduced formatting shortcuts in the visual editor. Version 4.4 added responsive images, embeddable posts, and new default theme called 2016. In 2016, version 4.5 added inline links, added formatting shortcuts, and responsive previews in Customizer. WordPress default themes have changed time to time. It has a long history. For curiosity, here I'm showing the list of previous WordPress themes. It was Classic. The first theme was Classic, which was released in Quebec. I really have worked a lot on this Quebec theme because I myself have been working on WordPress for last 12 to 13 years when WordPress was almost just a child. So I have worked on Quebec theme for many of my clients. and it was 2010, 2011, 2012, 2012, 2013, released in August 2013, 2014, released in December 12, 2013, 2015, released December 18, 2014, and 2016, released December 8, 2015. 2017, which is the current version of WordPress, was released in December 2016. So that was the history of WordPress, and we will in the next video we'll learn how to install WordPress. And before that, I understand that you have already installed XAMPP. If you have not already installed XAMPP, then I will show you that how to download and install XAMPP. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.